Hey guys, it's PhilGTV. I brought my coworkers here, Emma and Wish, and we're gonna be doing a half face makeup challenge thing, and then I'm supposed to recreate it on one of them after. But the first thing that apparently I need to do is put on a moisturizer. So this is Formula October 0th, 2006. It's called Thirst No More. And I'm gonna put it on. Is that a good amount right there?
You can literally do whatever you want.
Here, you can just use this. Ready?
Oh my goodness. Oh jeez.
Yes.
Yeah, you can set it down. I don't really need it.
As he's still using it.
It feels nice. Okay.
Perfect.
So Wish over here is gonna be doing one half of my face, and then Emma's gonna be doing the other half. And let's do it.
Okay, are we gonna start like the full foundation and everything? Whatever we want? Okay.
Does it match your skin?
Yeah. Y'all look the same anyway, so I mean, if it was you and me, you might look a little bit more yellow, but
Just in case you're wondering where our inspiration is.
yes! So I'm gonna start with Philip's brow. We're gonna go with the soft brown.
I'm starting with foundation in the shade Opal 1, and if it doesn't match, we'll just contour it to match.
That's it.
Oh my goodness.
It's just the brush that you brush your eyebrows with?
That's like a toothbrush.
It's not a toothbrush.
That feels
I mean,
nice.
we could definitely plug your eyebrows, but you know.
We could.
He's all like, no, thank you.
Maybe like you could get the unibrow in the middle. Sorry.
The unibrow? I don't see why not.
This foundation
really
is definitely
long
too pink for you, but it's okay.
Yes.
We're gonna contour it. See? So you're right. So we gonna start out with the arches. Philip, just close your eyes. I don't know why you keep blinking. Like you're gonna see something.
Was that on my eyelid?
Yeah, it was.
Is that supposed to be on my eyelid?
Yes. Phil, we know what we're doing.
We should invite Lauren. Lauren was like, yes! Yes!
Phil, you can't smile.
If anything, Philip, close your eyes and look down.
Wait, you can tell?
Yeah.
What am I looking at now?
You're looking like down this way.
I was looking at my nose.
You got some really nice eyebrows. I'm jealous.
Just take my eyebrows, sell them.
Right? Real human eyebrows.
And then they like glue them on.
Now we're gonna contour with my nice Anastasia contour kit.
Oh, that feels so soft. I mean, some of the drinks are kind of normal. Latte macchiatos and all those.
I think I've grown to learn to not just care.
Did you know how much salt packets the venti gets? For the salted cream from Clover?
2.
2?
No, it's 3.
What?
Is it? Are you serious?
Yeah, it's 2.
I knew it
2
was
for
3.
tall, 2 for grande, and then 3 for venti.
Now we go blend.
With the beauty blender.
No.
No?
No.
With oh.
What do you use
No.
this
Those are
brush for?
soft.
I use that when I do like a cut crease.
We could.
You need to cut it. Cut it.
What were we talking about in the group chat about cutting someone?
I don't know. Cutting someone? I didn't know we were cutting someone.
Oh, it was with your nails, remember? You had
Oh,
the really
yeah,
sharp
oh,
nails.
yeah.
Oh, that feels wet.
I actually use a brush for my blends.
Emma, didn't you use a brush to blend too?
Yeah.
Do you have the egg beauty blender thingy?
Yeah. It's not exactly an egg shape. But look at this.
Oh, you have a different one.
An egg. I mean, that works
I've
too.
seen that egg one.
Yeah. Wish egg flavored egg bites.
Yes.
Yeah, the ham and
One
Swiss
time it
one.
worked. We asked Wish what kind of egg bites this person ordered, and she goes, egg.
Oh my god, did you guys see my story yesterday? Lauren fell.
Oh yeah, yeah. I
Yeah,
saw
then
it.
she broke them.
Oh my gosh, she was so upset. She was like, those were the last one.
Eat them on the
Rip.
floor.
She would have, but they were like literally scattered.
No,
Like
that.
you couldn't even see.
That
Yeah, I walked back
format's
there and they were all
so
over the floor.
disgusting. I know every time we do floors and I step on that to do some dishes and like shoes come out like darker than dark.
I don't know what color that is.
I
but
dropped
yeah.
grounds on my shoe yesterday. It's
Dogs.
depressing. I also
Have a
broke
great day.
this, so
What?
it looks ugly, but it still works.
Yeah, I'm broken.
Look.
I still work though.
Open your eyes. Open your eyes. Look at that glow.
Oh, you did the highlighter? I'm gonna be popping.
we just talk about how pretty this palette is?
Yeah, beautiful. I can't see it.
Hold on. It won't open. Wait. I think you should do one color scheme and I'll do another color scheme. You know what I'm saying?
Okay.
Do you want to do like
Green
warm
and
or
gold.
do you want to do cool?
Ooh. Let me do warm.
Okay.
Yeah, I like warm too. I mean, but cool might be pretty cool to see because.
Let's do wet and hot.
Look down, put your eyebrows up. Yeah.
Yes.
Keep them up, Philip.
Alright, Phil, do me a favor and suck in your chunks. Will you open your eyes for a second?
Okay, that looks good. Okay, close it.
You look so beautiful. Philip, you look so beautiful.
I feel like I'm not gonna recognize myself. when I see
You'll be like,
myself.
who is this? What am I doing? Setting powder.
Yeah, this is what I use.
I should really look into makeup.
Maybe it's maybe.
Like, I feel like I can't find like the right shade. It's either too light for me or I'm too dark for me.
Have you tried Fenty Beauty?
I have her eyeliner.
Doesn't she have 40 different shades?
Yeah.
Because I follow Rihanna on Twitter. She always posts her makeup stuff. I'm kind of waiting just for the album.
I'm just waiting for your album, Riri.
Yeah. Now she has like 50 concealers.
I really want to try her concealers. Everybody's been telling me that her concealers are really good. I've heard good and bad things about her foundation. It dries really quick, is what I've heard.
I watched a video and they said it was like good to layer.
Something like that.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Jeez, really patting that in there.
Gotta make sure it is visible to see the color we put on your eyelids.
Duh.
So we're gonna go with this burnt orange from the
You look like a
Anastasia
mermaid.
Modern Resident color.
Renaissance, not resident.
Alright.
Modern resident.
It's time for me to go home.
What's the thing called when some of your eye makeup goes on the bottom of your eyelid?
Makeup on the bottom of your lid.
Yeah, but when some of it like soft.
Oh, Fallout.
Yeah, that. Have you guys played Fallout?
No.
Bro, what?
We look like we play.
I mean, I haven't, but I watched gameplay, so it looks really fun.
Trying to decide if I want to do liner or not.
You got falsies?
No, I wish I had some.
Can we do a part 2 of this? I can bring my makeup
Part
too.
2. Okay, you're gonna not move, okay? Okay, I'm gonna blow on your eye. Ready?
I mean, that was a lot nicer than Wish when she's like batting at my eye with her brush. It makes my eye tweak. It's like, ugh.
Okay, open. Let me see.
I think you're fine, Philip.
I'm not happy with that wing.
Is that one of the big brushes?
We gonna brush off your baking.
You baked me?
Yes, I baked you.
Like a cinnamon roll?
Yes. Okay, don't
morning
open your
glory?
eyes because you got eyeliner, so I'm just gonna wait. Beautiful. Okay, now you can look up for me. Yes, Philo, look at you, looking cute. He's
I
like,
don't know what
okay,
I look like.
I don't know.
I don't know what I
I'm
look like.
scared. I'm trying to figure out if I should do like.
Okay, well, when you decide that, I'm gonna do this.
You gotta prime
I
these
know.
lashes.
Open your eyes. He's
You're
tweaking.
good.
I can't even put this on.
I'm trying not to tweak.
Wait, hold on. Look at my shoulder right here.
That does work.
Stop
Way to help a girl out.
twitching.
I got you.
Jeez.
I always tell my sister to do this too. Look at my shoulder. Okay, close your eyes.
We gotta get on it, Wish. We got 4 minutes.
Trying
I'm
to
good.
chop, chop.
I know. I should have put mascara on you and then use good to go.
No, we got lipstick. I'm gonna start working on that.
We need to put on an Elsa wig. His makeup looks like Elsa.
Did not play chopstick.
Stop talking. Stop talking. He's like, all right. I'll stop talking. All right.
That's $7 ever spent. It's this bottle of mascara.
Oh, we gotta do it the Philip way.
Huh?
Yeah, today we're using NYX Soft Matte in the shade Copenhagen.
Isn't
See,
that
Phil,
a
that's how you do it.
Okay, Philip. Yes. Oh, we gotta set.
Oh, look at that. Let me go get the setting spray.
While she do that, I gotta do this real quick.
Is it like chapstick? Like you can do regular stuff with lipstick now, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
I think you should just wear my natural lipstick.
Me too.
Well,
Sometimes I wear chapstick. Speaking of chapstick, I lost my chapstick yesterday, so I had to open a new one.
I feel like I never finished a chapstick.
I actually finished one.
Look at how good that blue looks.
Yes! Shine bright like a diamond in the sky.
No.
That is not the words.
Okay.
It's
It's kind of like the lyrics though, right?
Yeah.
There's something like that.
Okay, are you ready for it to get sprayed?
I have to close my
Okay, here
mouth.
we go. 1, 2, 3.
Oh, that feels nice.
Saucing, I'm saucing on you.
We're getting ready for the final look.
Is this everything?
Yeah, that's everything.
Okay, you gotta close your eyes.
Okay.
You gotta close your eyes because you're about to be beautiful. Yes, Bella, with your cute self.
I should like post this on my Instagram. No, I should just be like new hairstyle.
Okay,
New me.
Okay, are we ready?
Me.
Okay.
Okay. Open your eyes.
It's too low. Oh my goodness.
Aren't you beautiful?
Whoa. That's insane.
He's like, who am I right now? Like, I am a Greek goddess.
Whoa. This is not
Eyebrows
even-
on fleek, makeup on fleek, contour sharp.
I like the skin. It's shiny.
It's shiny.
I don't know how I'd like if I would ever like do that, but it's like too bright for me. But yeah, it's good. Now I have to redo this.
Well, actually,
Okay,
let's do it both sides on me too. Do you
So
want?
I have
I
to
think
do
we
one
should
side
do both
for-
sides and you try to make them look the same. I'm gonna sit in the middle,
Mm-hmm.
and you're both gonna do a side of my face.
Oh,
and you're
okay.
gonna try to get it to look like a coherent face of makeup.
Okay.
You know what I'm saying?
Oh, so we actually
Oh,
have
yeah.
to, okay.
So we have to work together.
You have to work together.